second one is the ah. So it also drops quite a bit, but notice not as much, but a half a centimeter less. And I kind of smile a little bit. So whereas ah is lax, right? These are all lax vowels, but there's no tenseness whatsoever. Ah. Ah. I'm kind of smiling. Ah. Can you do that, please? Ah. Let's do this test. Ah. A little bit. Ah. Okay, and from the side profile, all right, we have ah. Ah. Now contrasting the ah and the ah, we have ah. Ah. So the ah would be the lowest jaw-dropping vowel sound in English. Here are words that have the ah sound that not necessarily are discernible simply through their spelling. Here they are. Sat, back,